Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quannah and today we're going to be talking about Amazon bundles. Yes, I said Amazon bundles. You heard it right. No more AliExpress. We going to Amazon. Okay? Okay. Now, this hair comes from this hair company called Beauhair. Maybe, I think that's the name. It's BEAUHAIR hair. Okay, type that in on Amazon, it will come up. Okay, so in this video, what I got from them is 3 bundles of 24 inches. Okay, and a 20-inch frontal. But guess how much I paid though? I paid $125.95. I think that was the cents. I think. And yes, yeah, you heard me. Under $150, y'all. Under $130. Like, how can you beat that? You can't beat that at all. You can't even beat that with a stick, sis. Okay. Okay. So, yes, I open my package. I do that, okay? I get excited. Who doesn't get excited when you get packages coming in? Okay? You get excited too, sis. Okay? So, my package came in like this. Feel me? Amazon, little smile or whatever. Okay, and in the box now, you get your little standard stuff, come with your packaging and all that good stuff. And yeah, guess what I got? A beauty blender, a beauty sponge. No, yes, honey, they know. They know. Once we get slayed with these good bundles and frontal, honey, we got to get beat too. We gotta have a face laid, honey. We just can't have our hair laid and our face looking like we just woke up. Okay. So they also come with this. Okay. Then the hair comes in a what is it, gray plastic bag. You know what I'm talking about? The gray plastic bags that you get sometimes when you order some stuff. It came in that, but I threw away the bag. I wasn't thinking. And then your bundles come in the standard plastic bags, with the inches, which is 24, okay? Okay? Pretty much. And then, frontal came like that also. So it's gonna tell you that you have a lace frontal, and it's the inch is gonna be 20, okay? Now, let's get into these bundles, okay? Now, I took the bundles out of the out of the plastic, as you can tell, okay? I took it out of the plastic. Don't ask me why. I just got excited. I wanted to feel it or whatever, and I took all of them out. So these are the bundles, okay? They nice and full, nice and good. They are actually a good size for the length that you get. So I put all my bundles. Okay, this is the thing that I do. Okay, I put all my bundles together. The reason why I put all my bundles together, I run my fingers through them to see the thickness of it. Okay, that's what I do. But we're gonna get back into these bundles. Okay, we're gonna move on to this frontal. Now, this frontal is. This frontal is. Okay, honey, they plucked this frontal. Okay, it may not look like that, but I'm finna show you a close-up. Okay, so you can see right there, they plucked it, so the hairline looks bomb. The hairline looks so bomb. You see what I'm saying? Like, it looks so bomb. Comes with the baby hairs, but I might end up cutting them off. You know how that goes with bundles and situations like that. I don't know why my brother's calling me. And also what I love about these frontals is they have this. You know how some frontals you get, they they don't have that. It's just all lace. Some people like that. Some people don't. It really don't matter to me, but I really, really, really prefer, you know, this. I really prefer this because I don't know. I don't know. It's just kind of easy for me to sew down. You feel what I'm saying? Like, and I don't have to too much worried about missing to like rip the lace, if that makes sense. It basically is really easy for me to sew it down. Of course, I'm going to bleach the knots on this frontal. Okay, I'm gonna bleach the knots, and I'm going to make this out of a wig. Now, if I don't make it, I'll get my little sister to make it for me. She also made this wig, which I'm gonna get into this wig too after I get done talking about these bundles. Okay. Now, my plan for these bundles are to water dye them blue black. The reason why is because I get tired of the standard natural color. And, you know, that's kind of, okay, blue black is kind of basic too. Because, you know, I know a lot of people that will dye they real hair blue black. But I like the tint that you get when it hit the sunlight. You know how you get the tint when this hit the sunlight, you know, that natural pretty brown. I want that to have that blue hue to it. So, and then my favorite color is blue, so I like anything mostly blue. So yes, I'm probably gonna make this out of a wig. If I don't make it, my little sister gonna make my wigs. She's gonna be my wig person, my wig plug, you know, all that on the times that I don't want to make a wig, or I may not have the time to make the wig. You know, I'm gonna hit little sis up. So, these bundles, the ends of them, I like the ends. Shedding. Let's see, shedding. I'm not getting nothing right now, shedding wise. I don't get no shedding. You can't see no little hairs or nothing. So, but I'm going to seal my whips. And the reason why I do that, because the hair lasts longer. So I'm going to, you know, seal my whips. So, the next video that's gonna come up, maybe this hair. I'm planning on doing another video soon. So be on the lookout for that. But you won't know, sis, until you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Then you'll know when I post, you know. I'm just saying though, you know, you sit here watching me, I will subscribe. It's free. You know, you ain't paying nobody. Like, you know, if it's free, why not just do it? It's free. You don't have to, it ain't no hidden fees or nothing. Just, you know, hit that subscribe button.
Nothing else to say, like, period.
Period. Okay. So, yes, I'm so ready to put this in. So ready to put this in. Now, smell wise, it smells like the standard of it. That makes sense. Like, you know how like the standard bundles have like that smell to it, like that smell. I don't know if that's even a smell, but you know, it smells like that, y'all. Okay. So of course I'm going to wash it. Of course, definitely gonna wash it. I feel like this is gonna be okay. I see you with a little shake or whatever. But yes, so I'm so ready to put this in. Probably gonna take it to my sister's sometime this weekend. So that is that comes from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, you know, down below. You know, I'm gonna leave that, you know, because I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm gonna let y'all know, okay? I'm also gonna do updates on this hair. I'm gonna do probably a week or 2 week update once I do the hair. I'm gonna tell you how the hair is standing up, does it get tangled, all that good stuff. I'm gonna give y'all the details. I'm going to give y'all the details. I'm not gonna leave y'all lie. Because I be watching videos and everybody's not gonna be able to say exactly everything in one video. So if I miss anything concerning this hair, just leave it down below and I'll answer your question, of course. So enough about that, you feel me? Enough about her. We gonna talk about this hair that I have in my head. Now, I know I got it off of Amazon and it was cheap. I don't even think I probably paid $150, but I paid under $200 because I got 4 bundles. I think is 4 bundles of 26, if I'm not mistaken. If it's not 4 bundles of 26, then yeah, I think it was 4 bundles of 26, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I will leave all the details about this hair down below, like the lengths and stuff like that. I'm gonna leave all that below. And also the link to this hair. I just gotta go back into my order history and leave the link to the hair. Now, this hair here, I also liked a lot. It didn't give me no problems. And I mean no problems. Like, how when you wear your bundles and they start like natting up in the back. Like, I didn't have no problem about this natting in the back. None of that. Like I said, there was long bundles, but as you wear your hair, it gradually gets thin at the ends. So I started cutting them. And when I cut them, I kind of was like, I'm gonna keep trimming this hair. I'm gonna keep trimming it till it gets short. So why not just go ahead and chop it, make it a bob? So that's what I did. So this is 3. No, this, well, I say it's 3.5 bundles. I probably had about this much of track left if you double it. How you double your track, and about that long, I would say. So, well, you probably say I majority used all of the bundles. You would say, and it came with a closure also. I didn't do any baby hairs on this because I just didn't feel like doing it. Not today. I just didn't feel like doing it today. But most of the time, I will make it look like a lace frontal. So, that's key. Now, we can do these closures like frontals, okay? They got wider frontals other than your 4x4 frontals. They got a 5x5, a 6x6 frontals. I mean, they got it, okay? If you're not so comfortable with frontals, you can get a closure and you can get it mimicked as a frontal. If you're the type of person that really don't do the deep sides, but you do, like, you do your little cute parts, your little off the center parts and stuff like that. Closures and stuff is like that is for you. And also, I love closures. I love closures because they're easy maintenance. Now, frontals, a little high maintenance. You gonna have to learn how to take care of a frontal. Okay, so, but yes, this hair here, I didn't have no problems out of it other than the thinniness of it. It's gradually getting thin at the ends. And I did also have shedding. My shedding wasn't that much. It was like a couple of strands. So, I mean, and all in all, y'all, this hair is like, I like this hair. I really wanted it to stay long, but I knew as I continued to wear it, it was gonna get thin. So, the ends gonna get thin. Everything up here was fine. It's just, when you get down to the ends, that it's time to trim these. So, that's what, yes. So, hey, That's tea on this. Now, also leave the link to this hair down below, hopefully if I can find it, and give you the details on this hair also. Also the other thing, I think I had this hair for I think it's about to be a year. I think it's about to be a year, and then this hair still holds, like it still holds up. You know, I wash it, I take care. It's basically like if you take care of your hair, show it a little love, then you good, you know. But hey, to each his own. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Maybe. Could it be? I don't know. But hey, enough about that. So yes, y'all, this is the video about the Amazon hair for the budget, for the low, for the sis, you know, for the girls out there that, you know, don't want to spend an arm and a leg on some bonus but still want to look cute. We all on a budget, sweetie, okay? Who got, okay, some of y'all do got the money, okay? I have the money, but I'm not finna, you know, spend all my coins on that when I can get it cheaper. And then on me, I do hair and makeup, so I gradually switch my hair out anyway. So, you know, I get my hair for the cheap, you know, and it still looks good. I get compliments, I get asked where I get my hair from. And when I say Amazon, you already know. They like, Amazon? Yes, girl, Amazon. Don't sleep on them. Period. Don't do that. Don't. Instead of going, you know, spending so much, you know, on hair, why not just go to Amazon, type in what you're looking for, and boom, there you go. But I think I'm going to shop more with them because I like their prices on the hair, and I like the fact that, you know, they don't give you no skimpy bundles, and your closure or your frontal will look good, and they pluck it for you, sis. Only thing you gotta do is bleach it. And if you want to know how to bleach them, I got a video for how I bleach my knots, okay? And I'm going to do an updated one because I did switch it a little bit, not with the whole putting the bleach on and, you know, all that good stuff. It's with the washing process. I added another thing called shimmer lights that can help tone down the brassiness of it, of your lace and stuff like that. So I will do an up-to-date one on that also. But if you want to know how to bleach your knots, sis, go to my page and it will be there, or I will leave it down below. I think I'll leave it down below, okay? So yes, anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, sis, okay? Turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Like I said before, why not subscribe? You're watching me. We done made it to the end of the video. I probably made you laugh, or I probably had you say, right, sis? Like, what these girls out here thinking? You know, if I made you say all that, you know, sis, don't subscribe, okay? Just stop playing with yourself and just subscribe, okay? Period. So, yes, anyways, that's it for this video. Much love. Be blessed. And, yeah.